You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this brand of footwear, which is originally, where is it from? Is it from the US? Anyways, the name exists in French, and in French it's pronounced as Sorel. Now, yes, this is a brand from Oregon, Portland, Oregon, United States. Therefore, the pronunciation in American, in English, is Sorel. It's usually pronounced as Sorel. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.